In this video, I'm going to teach you how to activate DHL Packstation Germany. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. This will require two main steps: online registration to get your personal customer number and device activation via the mobile app. So to start, if you aren't already signed up with a customer account on DHL, visit the official website and you can click on Login. When you click on the login option, a new window will open and you will find the option here, not registered with DHL yet. If you click this, you will be able to go through the registration process. I'm not going to cover this in full because it contains sensitive information, but it is very intuitive. So you just choose private customer or corporate customer, fill out all of the necessary details, agree with the terms and conditions, and at the end, you will see here your service booking. You will have packing station, packet redirection, and so on. Once you have your account set up, you will have the option of receiving parcels. By doing this and confirming your address, they will send you a letter. So, as you can see according to this note, to confirm your address, you will receive a letter in the next few days with a code and additional information on activating your customer account. Once you receive this letter, you will have the unique personal post number alongside the QR code. To finish this registration process using the app, you will find Packstation on this menu at the bottom of the screen. And in here, you can find the activation options. Of course, this screenshot is in Dutch, but you will be able to follow along and use the QR code and the letter that you received to activate your DHL Packstation in Germany. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.